What's up, everybody?
Hello.
Me and my son Brandon, my oldest son.
Mm-hmm.
Say hi.
Hello.
We got some mystery boxes from that Spider-Man booth. I feel like Peter. We got some random boxes, and we're gonna share them with you guys today. See what we got. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man. I will put the box over here. You can just put them right in the box when you're done. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's what we got.
We have X Factor,
Which one is it? Show it.
number 5.
Number 5, all new X Factor.
Mm-hmm.
It's weird. Okay, ready? Next.
Next. We have Thor.
Thor number one. Oh my god. Thor takes on... Dude, Thor takes on Galactus. He gets the Cosmos powers. He beats the crap out of Galactus. That looks awesome. They're already on, like... Issue 4 just came out this week. This is a storyline I think I'm going to start picking up because it sounds really awesome. Thor with Silver Surfer power. Awesome.
Yep.
Alright, next.
Next.
What do we got?
We have Invaders number 7. Dead
All right.
in the water.
Dead in the water. Invaders number 7. Okay, next.
Next. We have
Oh.
Shredder number 1.
Shredder goes to hell
Looks
number
cool.
1. Oh my god, that is a cool cover. That is a sick cover.
Looks amazing.
That does look amazing.
Okay.
Next.
Next one.
What do we got?
Last ones. We have
Weapon H.
Weapon H, which looks kind of
Really?
weird.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. Hulk with claws and Deadpool. All right.
He's gonna murder Hulk. I meant Deadpool. Next one.
All right, next box. All right, what do we got?
Let's see here.
Number 1.
We
Kurt?
got Tor
Tor?
or Rot. No, yeah, it's Tor.
I don't know. Some caveman.
Looks strange.
Yeah. I don't know what that is. Okay, cool.
He's T though.
Nice. Mr. and Mrs. This is my second one of these.
Mr. and Mrs.
Gambit and Rogue get married.
Yep.
You'll probably get to have
Number
one.
1 also.
Yeah, you can
It's
have
number 1.
that one because I already have another one. All right, next.
Next one. We have Ultimate X.
An Ultimate X-Men.
X-Men.
Just some random Iceman. Okay,
It's like Iceman.
it is Iceman.
Bandana or something.
Some bandana or something.
Okay, next.
All right, so these two better be good. Next.
Yep.
X-Men, it's an X-Men number 3. It's a variant. This is my second one of these. I know this is from Elite Comics. These are like $15 on their website still. This is my second one. The first one's going in my collection. This one is going to go on sale.
Nice.
Probably tomorrow. And it will be starting at $10. So look it up. X-Men 3 variant. It's going to go on sale tomorrow. $10 if anybody is interested.
Nice.
So, with that Psylocke cover. Awesome. All right. Next.
The last one. Oh man, we got
Really? It's another Weapon H.
again.
Another Weapon
Which is
H.
weird.
Okay. Well, thanks, guys. Next time, I have a lot more stuff coming in pretty soon. I should have some more boxes. I already have more stuff from eBay coming. So, yeah. You guys have a good night. Say
See
bye.
ya.
Bye.